Good morning. Ooh. Momo, you like the jacket? From all the pick sliding. Yeah. Strawberries are life. Yo, we lit. Stay dry out there. Oh yeah. Halloween show coming up on Halloween. Trevor got his mask. There he is right there. Having a nice car lunch. It's good, eh? Bagel and butter, what's better than that? Nothing. Also, we're both wearing windbreakers.
Okay.
Stay dry.
From the last part or from the whole thing of the bridge?
We'll do the whole bridge.
Okay.
I'm gonna play with no confidence whatsoever. Okay.
Sorry, my throat's feeling weird. Alright, this is a new song. We're still learning it. What do you think? Should we look this sad or should we? If we do the song, the new song one more time.
Holy Ghost. We're playing there. Alright.
Okay. Voice is God. Oh, Sun, Scorpio, Aries. Why is this calling here? God, try to go. The head up. It was a protest. Let's get enough. We're landing the transition. That's good. Okay, this is a new one. Okay, the song is actually out in the world. Weird, right? It's punk. It's got like 5 streams. Got a solid 5 streams on Spotify. It's called Sunscreen. Fucking stream it. The darkness of your face. Not bad. That was okay. Okay. We are the boardwalk, right now, the beach, we're getting there. So last song. Yeah, fuck.
We're done.
Rainy day.
Rainy day. Having a bogey.
No, I'm not.
Naughty, naughty, Trav.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah, right.
Got the set down.
Sits down.
Just gotta get down,
New one?
elbow.
Hellhole, our new single.
Yeah.
Recorded one day. Here's Trav in the coffin mobile. Home. Lame-o. Feeling kind of bummy. My voice was a little off today, so hopefully the footage isn't too bad from rehearsal. But either way, practice makes perfect.